The Renegade IQ is a personal hovercraft that takes adventure to a whole new level, offering unmatched versatility, performance, and excitement. Built with a focus on both thrill and practicality, it's powered by a 750cc four-stroke engine that delivers remarkable acceleration and top speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. With a generous range of 150 miles on a single tank, it's well-suited for extended explorations, whether you're skimming over open water, gliding across land, or tackling a mix of terrains in one journey. Weighing only 355 pounds, the Renegade IQ is impressively lightweight, a feature that greatly enhances its agility and maneuverability. This makes it easy to control even at high speeds, ensuring that both newcomers and seasoned riders can enjoy a safe yet exhilarating ride. Its amphibious design is what truly sets it apart. It transitions seamlessly from water to land, giving adventurers the freedom to explore coastlines, lakes, rivers, fields, and beyond without ever stopping. Durability is another key strength. The Renegade IQ features a strong carbon Kevlar hull combined with an inflatable skirt, making it resilient against bumps, scrapes, and the demands of rougher off-road or water-based adventures. This tough yet lightweight build ensures long-lasting performance, even under challenging conditions. Blending innovative engineering with raw excitement, the Renegade IQ isn't just a hovercraft. It's a gateway to limitless exploration. Whether you're seeking high-speed thrills, scenic adventures, or the freedom to move effortlessly across diverse landscapes, this personal hovercraft guarantees a ride that is as thrilling as it is unforgettable. The GoSun EV solar charger is a groundbreaking innovation that brings the limitless energy of the sun directly to your electric vehicle, redefining how we think about charging on the move. Designed with portability and convenience in mind, this system uses high-efficiency solar panels that can be easily mounted onto the roof of your car, instantly transforming your vehicle into a self-sustaining powerhouse. Instead of constantly depending on traditional charging stations, drivers now have the freedom to tap into renewable energy wherever their journey takes them. Capable of generating up to 1,200 watts of clean solar power, the GoSun EV solar charger provides a significant boost to your driving range, adding as much as 30 miles per day under optimal sunlight conditions. This makes it an ideal solution for road trips, daily commutes, or off-grid adventures, offering peace of mind and a sense of independence from the limitations of charging infrastructure. Not only does it deliver convenience, but it also directly contributes to reducing your carbon footprint by eliminating the reliance on fossil fuel-powered grids. With its sleek design, lightweight build, and focus on sustainability, the GoSun EV solar charger isn't just a practical accessory. It's a vision of the future of travel. It empowers electric vehicle owners to enjoy longer trips, greater flexibility, and cleaner mobility, all while embracing renewable energy. This innovation perfectly aligns with the growing demand for eco-friendly solutions, making every mile you drive powered by the sun a step toward a greener planet. Do you want me to make this script more advertisement style with punchy lines, or keep it in a documentary style flow? The Rheinmetall Mission Master XT is a next-generation unmanned ground vehicle specifically designed to handle the most demanding terrains and combat conditions. This heavy-duty UGV stands out for its ability to operate effectively in snow, mud, sand, and even shallow water, making it an extremely versatile asset for modern militaries. Built on an 8x8 amphibious platform, it is equipped with specialized low-pressure tires that provide superior traction and stability even when carrying payloads of up to 1,000 kilograms. This capability ensures that it can perform in rugged, obstacle-filled landscapes where conventional vehicles would struggle. One of the Mission Master XT's greatest strengths is its fully electric drive, which allows for quiet and stealthy movement in the field. To ensure endurance, it integrates a diesel-powered onboard generator, giving it an impressive operational range of up to 750 kilometers. This hybrid power approach provides the flexibility to sustain long missions in remote or hostile areas without frequent resupply. Advanced autonomous navigation systems further enhance its performance, enabling it to avoid obstacles, follow pre-programmed routes, and adapt to evolving mission conditions without constant human input. Adding to its adaptability, the Mission Master XT is modular in design, meaning it can be fitted with different mission-specific kits. These range from reconnaissance packages and cargo transport modules to armed versions equipped with weapon systems, turning it into a powerful force multiplier on the battlefield. By reducing risk to soldiers and enhancing operational efficiency, the Rheinmetall Mission Master XT embodies the future of unmanned ground systems, bringing together mobility, endurance, and flexibility to support troops in the harshest environments.
The Rheinmetall HX 10x10 is a heavy-duty military truck built for strength, mobility, and adaptability, making it one of the most versatile vehicles in modern defense operations. As part of the HX family of tactical trucks, it is designed as a military off-the-shelf solution, offering rugged performance and reliability for a wide range of missions. Its 10x10 configuration with 5 axles provides maximum payload capacity, allowing it to serve in specialized roles such as a heavy recovery vehicle, a carrier for advanced weapon platforms like self-propelled howitzers, or as a base for critical systems such as bridge-laying equipment. This versatility ensures that the HX 10x10 can meet the demanding logistical and combat support needs of armed forces in different environments. What sets this vehicle apart is its ability to perform under extreme conditions. With high ground clearance, durable suspension, and deep fording capabilities, it can traverse rough terrains, deserts, flooded landscapes, or snowy regions with ease. Its engine options are designed with multi-fuel compatibility, ensuring operational flexibility no matter where it is deployed. For missions in high-threat zones, the HX 10x10 can be equipped with an armored cab that provides essential protection for the crew against ballistic fire, mines, and improvised explosive devices. By combining payload strength, advanced mobility, and crew safety, the Rheinmetall HX 10x10 is more than just a transport vehicle. It is a dependable platform that enhances mission readiness. It allows militaries to move, support, and protect both personnel and equipment in the harshest conditions, reinforcing its role as a vital asset on the modern battlefield.
Riwako trikes deliver a unique riding experience by combining the open-air excitement of motorcycling with the balance, comfort, and practicality of an automobile. These three-wheeled machines are crafted with both performance and style in mind, offering riders a blend of power and stability that sets them apart from traditional two-wheel bikes. At the heart of many Riwako models are powerful engines, often adapted from cars, which provide smooth, consistent performance whether you're navigating city streets or cruising long stretches of highway. Designed for comfort, Riwako trikes feature ergonomic seating and a spacious layout that allows riders and passengers to enjoy a relaxed journey without the strain often associated with motorcycles. This makes them especially appealing for long-distance touring, where stability and comfort are as important as speed. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride across different terrains, while options like automatic transmission make the trikes accessible to a wider range of riders. Practicality is also a strong point, with impressive storage capacity that makes carrying luggage or essentials far easier than on a standard motorcycle. Combined with their aerodynamic styling and customizable options, Riwako trikes allow riders to express their personality while enjoying a machine built for both function and flair. For enthusiasts who want the freedom and thrill of the open road, but with greater comfort, security, and versatility, Riwako trikes stand as a perfect balance, an ideal choice for touring, city exploration, and everything in between. The Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition is one of the most extreme SUVs ever created, engineered to combine luxury, power, and uncompromising protection in a single package. Built on the Cadillac Escalade platform, this vehicle has been transformed into a fortress on wheels, designed to handle real-world threats with cutting-edge defensive features while maintaining a commanding presence on the road. Its aggressive, futuristic design gives it the appearance of something out of a video game, but every detail serves a practical purpose for security and survivability. The Vengeance is outfitted with full ballistic armor capable of withstanding high-caliber rounds, reinforced underside plating to resist explosive blasts, and military-grade run-flat tires that allow it to keep moving even after heavy damage. Its security features go beyond passive armor. Electrified door handles deter forced entry, while night vision cameras and blinding front lights give drivers the advantage in low visibility or hostile situations. It even comes with advanced countermeasures such as pepper spray dispensers and magnetic deadbolts, ensuring maximum protection against intrusion. Despite its rugged military-grade capabilities, the cabin of the Rezvani Vengeance delivers premium comfort. Passengers are surrounded by high-quality leather finishes, advanced infotainment systems, and spacious seating, making it as refined as it is secure. Under the hood, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine unleashes over 420 horsepower, ensuring that this armored SUV is not only safe, but also powerful and responsive on any terrain. The Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition represents the perfect balance of intimidation, luxury, and battlefield-ready toughness, making it one of the most unique and capable civilian armored vehicles in existence.